Hi everyone, I'm Simon from Cooler Master. In this video, I'll be talking about vertical GPU installations, why people might want to install their GPUs vertically, as well as how and what you need to install your GPU vertically into your PC. Firstly, what do I mean by a vertically installed GPU? Well, normally a GPU is installed horizontally onto the motherboard with the fans facing down. Now with a vertical installation, you install it in such a way that the fans face towards the side panel. Rather than directly connecting the GPU's PCIe connector directly onto the motherboard, a vertical GPU installation often requires one of these vertical GPU holders, which uses a riser cable to connect the GPU onto the motherboard. Vertically installing GPUs has become popular as it looks nice and showcases your GPU. It also provides extra support, reducing strain, the risk of sagging, as well as PCB damage. If you prefer a horizontally mounted GPU, but worry about sagging, you can use a GPU supporter like the Atlas ARGB GPU support. As I mentioned earlier, vertically installing a GPU often requires a vertical GPU holder. Now in this video, I got a brand new universal GPU holder kit ARGB. Now this holder works seamlessly with any ATX or mATX case, regardless of brand. It uses our ultra-flexible PCIe 4.0 riser cable for easy installation and flawless data transmission. This holder supports up to 3-slot GPUs and can be adjusted vertically and horizontally, with locking positions that are fully toolless. The ARGB lighting is rotatable to adjust to your preferences. Time to install the GPU into the case. Today, we have a HAF 700 EVO and an RTX 4070 Ti. Start by disassembling the holder kit ARGB, install the base plate onto the case's PCIe slot, and then the second piece. Once you've done this, connect the riser cable and the ARGB cable to the motherboard and add the third piece. For heavy GPUs, grab them far away from the motherboard for easier installation. Adjust to your preferred position and lock it. Now we recommend adjusting the ARGB lighting position to your preferred look before installing the GPU onto the holder. If you want to upgrade or remove your graphics card, this PCIe slot quick release system allows you to quickly release your GPU. Now for this demonstration, we've been using our universal GPU holder kit ARGB. But if you'd prefer a holder kit without ARGB lighting, please consider our vertical graphics card holder V3. That's all for today's video. Would you build with a vertical GPU holder? Let us know in the comments below and feel free to check out the universal GPU holder kit ARGB or the Atlas in the link below. Thank you so much for watching and happy building!